Guys and girls, welcome to Learn Urdu through English lesson series by Ifactner.com. And in lesson number 12, we will be seeing how do we conjugate the letter swad and letter zawad in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. Let's start our lesson number 12. The first character of Urdu alphabet which we are going to discuss today is Swad. It is pronounced as Sawad. Sawad. And it's a connector just like Seen and Sheen. And let's see how do we start our word with Swad. There's a word called Sehra. Swad, He, Re, Alif. Sehra. 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 Sehra means desert. Then there's another word called sofa. Swad, Wow, Fe, He. Sofa. Sofa simply means sofa, and it has been imported from English word sofa. Now let's see how do we use swad in the middle of the word. Swad. There's a country called Misr. Misr. And in English we call that country Egypt. Egypt. And then there's a word called Isla. Alif, Swad, Lam, He. Isla. 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 Isla means to correct the path of someone or to guide someone in the right path. Isla. Now let's see how do we use letter swad in the end of the word. Let me think of a word. There's a word ikhlas. Alif, He, Lam, Alif, Swad. Ikhlas. Ikhlas. Ikhlas means some good deeds of a person. Good deeds are called ikhlas. And then let's see how do we use letter swad in the beginning of the word. Zarf. There's a word called zarf. Zarf. Zarf means some quality of a person. Quality of a person is called zarf. Let's see how do we use letter swad in the middle of the word. There's a word called muzar. Mim, pesh, mu, za, zwad, rezar. Muzar. Muzar. Muzar means injurious. Like सिगरेट नोशी सेहत के लिए मुज़र है. Smoking is injurious to health. Now let's see how do we use letter swad in the end of the word. There's a word called raz. 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 Raz means secret. Then there's another word called Riyaz. Riyaz. Riyaz is a name in Urdu, and it also means to practice while singing the classical songs. So that word is also called riyaz. Practice about singing is called riyaz. And then we have got a word called baz. Be and zwad. Baz. Baz. And baz means to avoid. So guys and girls, this was our lesson about the characters swad and zwad of Urdu alphabet. If you would like to do some exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.